Hello YouTubers, this is the hard drive I had earlier. The one that just all of a sudden stopped. It stopped working, by the way. All of a sudden, after that HD tune video, it stopped working, first of all. And then when you unplug it, plug it back in, it did the click of death. And then after that, it just stopped spinning like completely. And then my computer says new hardware found. You can still eject it safely. So the computer knows it's a hard drive, but it doesn't know how many gigabytes. What it's formatted to, because it'll make that XP hardware inserted sound. If you go to the toolbar or whatever, the start menu on the right side next to the clock, safely remove hardware, it won't have a drive letter. The computer didn't assign it a drive letter. But here it is. I won't even spin up now. And I can tell from experience that this is glass. It sounds like aluminum, but the newer passports, you know, the ones that are smaller, sexier, but with the crappier micro USB port, that's aluminum. The older ones, the one that use the USB type B, the mini USB type USB, some of them are aluminum, some of them are glass. Alright, the one with the serial ATA to USB adapter that you can remove, I'm pretty sure that some of them are glass, some of them are aluminum. This one's integrated, the USB to serial ATA. Can't remove this, but it's still the older passports with the USB type B, and I'm pretty sure it's glass. I know from experience. And safety first, I am wearing safety glasses. Alright, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong just a little, but what happened to the head? Alright, maybe I was wrong. The last one I had, it was glass. What the crap? How's this one aluminum? My bad, but look at that. It bent the platter, and the head just disappeared. Was I not just bending this arm right here? No. Oh, the whole damn thing just came off. This whole thing's loose. What the crap? The one I had before this, exactly the same date, manufacturing date. It was glass. But one difference is the the LED. It's a block. It's not like a normal LED. That was weird. Alright. Oh my god, it disappeared. Well, the cable came off for the head, as you can see here. Let's see if it still turns on. Oh, no. It messed up the USB port. Let's see, no. Man, should have used my other USB cable. It's not gonna work. Oh, there it goes. It's loose, it's very loose. You have to hold it down. Well, no more USB port. Can't plug it in now. But yeah, there you have it. I might make a part 2. Nah, it's not. There's really nothing you can do. I do not get it. This hard drive had the same exact manufacturing date as the one that was made with glass. How is this aluminum? The one that was made with glass was manufactured September 9th, 2009. Not September. Yeah, September. Yeah, September 9th. This one was manufactured September 9th. Same hard drive, 320 gigabytes. The only thing that I noticed that was different was this LED right here. That's really weird. There you have it.